Alright, I'm watching the S&Ps again, maybe for another reversal. We are under 1394.25, which is where we open this month. Also watching this wheat acting weak again today. I took a trade on it yesterday. I lost like 135, only off one contract. I was originally up, but I was managing another position. And now I see it holding under this level, so the bias is to the downside. And I'm watching this Chipotle. It came off the highs. They reported earnings. It was 12% sales growth, which is, I think, the high in the entire industry. And the CEO said a lot of good comments, but Credit Suisse downgraded the stock, and it looks like it's getting soft, like I said. So I'm watching it closely. I might do something small on this, maybe just long one put contract just to see where it goes. I'm not going to risk a lot, but if it starts to go my way and picks up some momentum below the 421, that's when I'll probably add a little more. On the market's moving lower ever since that ISM services number came out, and it came in at 53.5. They were expecting 55.9, and in March it was 56, so it's down 2.5 points from March. That's not good, and all three markets are coming off because of that. Just taking a look at the indices right now. So far, crude's coming off pretty sharply, the commodity. 103, it just bounced off 103.05. I think it should have a little support here. I'll probably switch that in a moment, try to trade it to the upside. Silver coming off, gold off 20 points right now. It could keep heading lower. If it heads into the 1500s, I think that's going to be a good place to scoop it up. But it's down 1.2%, 20 points. NASDAQ down 6 points. Russell's leading the way down. Remember, for this rally to continue to move up, we're going to need the Russell to be the breadwinner. We're going to need them to overweight the market. Euro US dollar was originally up when we got through that jobless claims number this morning. Had an initial pop. Draghi came out, made some comments, and they were a little bearish, but the sentiment was mixed on that. Remember, as far as the euro goes, we need to hold above 132. Between 131 and 132, that's just a consolidation phase. We need some acceleration in the euro. And then the VIX up about 24 cents, 1.4%. Semis are down 2.6%. And this is surprising. The Dow Jones retail apparel is down right now, but a lot of the retail apparel stocks are up. And then we have the coal index being up, but A&R just missed earnings. Oh wow, I just saw this. They pulled A&R back into positive territory. I was watching on this original down move this morning, so I'm not sure what was said. Maybe they said that going into the next quarter they expect coal prices to pick back up, but we are trading above the prior day's close at 1549. Okay, so I can't go as heavy as I wanted right here because I missed a good chunk of the move. Alright, I'm long 5 contracts from 93. Bid in for another 5 at half. Cool. Just got filled on that. Yeah, we should be encountering some major support right in this level, so I get it, you market makers, I get it. You know, we went below that candle. and you took all the stops out. Now it's time to run it up and give me a 93.5 offer. Alright, just got filled on 5 more. This is my total position. 15 contracts, average price $13.92 half. Stop is at $13.91 half. We hit half, but I'm still in the trade. The Nasdaq's about to bounce here. Give me one more contract. Alright, they gave it to me. 20 contracts now, $13.92 quarter is the average. And I think I'm gonna, like I said, take a long on this crude. Put my order out there. Maybe at 16. Get long one contract at 19. And then just so we're in it, I'll put one at 20. Alright, here we go. Half bid, half bid. Just got filled on 2 contracts of crude. The one that I put out there at 20 and the one at 19. I want to say 93 quarter on this. Alright, see, they're fighting back and forth here, the 50s and the 75s. This is what the smart money does. Usually when you have a reversal, there, we just got the 3s printed, and it was like a blip. Alright. Sometimes you got to improvise and reduce risk. Alright, I took 10 off. Because, like I was saying, the smart money will run it up, bring it back down, maybe juke you out to right here, and then gun it up if that's what they're planning on doing, running it to the upside. This trade gets all the retail investors and the contrarian scalpers involved, and then that's when they bring it back down. Because they're thinking it's just going to go straight back up. It's partially a psychology game, this business. Alright, it's back to quarters, you know. Give me my fill at half. I could always get back involved. Alright, we got filled there. Let's look at our crude trade now. So we only made, we were up 550, so about 300 bucks on that trade. And the commission alone was 120, so it wasn't that profitable. Oh, by the way, they did hit that quarter. See that? They just hit it. That's alright. Okay, so we're long only 2 contracts of crude from 103.19. We never got hit on the other 3, and we're up 390 on the trade. Alright, got filled on 1. Come on. I just got rid of the rest. We made 310 on that. So for the day, we're up about $1,000 so far. I'm gonna try to buy one contract of this Chipotle. I'll put it out there. It's at 50 right here. I'll lower it to 20. I'm looking at these Visa calls. They reported earnings this morning, and look at the size that just went through at 43 cents. 600 shares. I got an order out there at 33. Trying to pick up 5 contracts. Alright, market's bouncing here.